In this video, we are going to show you how to loop videos in Shopify. Now, if you want to loop your videos that you uploaded on your Shopify store so that it could be more aesthetically pleasing, or you just want it on a loop just to show that these are the products you have or anything related to it, it's very simple. Actually, it's pretty easy, to be honest. You need to be logged into your Shopify account, and once you are signed into your dashboard, you want to click on your online store so you can edit the specific video you want to be on a loop. Now, once you're under themes, of course, you need to click on edit theme. So we are going to go to our editor here. And as you can see here, we have a video on top of our header, right? So what you need to do is you need to click on the video itself. You need to highlight on the video like so. As you can see, it is now highlighted. And on the right hand options, you're going to have an option for autoplay and loop video. You don't want autoplay. I mean, it depends if you want it or not. Sometimes it can be aversive towards customers or potential customers, but we want to click on loop video. So most of the time when you upload a URL link, loop video is already enabled, so you don't really need to do that. So you just need to click on loop video like so, right? There you go. It is now enabled, and all you need to do after that is click on save, as you can see. So now once customers go to your page, it's just going to be playing on a loop. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.